Institute of Management and Commerce, Department of Journalism and Mass Communication in association with Institute of Hotel Management and Tourism presenting Fusion of Flavors. Myself Pradna Odilnada. Welcome to refreshing journey into the art of mocktail making, brought to you by the talented Kaushik sir by the Department of Hotel Management and Tourism. Hello sir.
Hello madam.
Yes, today we are going to make stunning mocktails here.
Yes.
Can you say the few steps involving in it?
Actually today we are making some in-house special cocktail mocktails. In that one we are preparing passion fruit based. So passion fruit essence, and we are adding some lemon and some mint leaves, and we are topping up with some sparkling water. So along with that we have another in-house mocktail that is red velvet, which is we have invented here.
So it's your own.
Yes, yeah, students has invented this mocktail. So we are adding some cream, fresh cream, and some strawberry crush. Along with that we are adding some cranberry juice, and it is a shaken method. So there are different methods to prepare mocktails. We have a shaken method, we have a muddling method, we have a top-up method, even stirring method, even layering method. So many methods are there. So today we'll show few methods.
Okay.
Along with that we have a paradise where we are adding some fresh orange juice, and along with that we are adding some cranberry, and it is a layering method. Red velvet first.
Okay.
So each mocktail has its own glassware. This is a martini glass, so we are using for the red velvet drink. So we'll start with it's a shaken method.
Okay.
So initially we'll take a shaker. So here we have a 2-piece shakers.
Okay.
So 2-piece Boston shakers. So usually we'll use to prepare mocktails, shaken methods.
Okay.
So we'll start with the
Students
process.
are going to help you now.
Yes,
Okay.
they'll prepare.
Okay. You are teaching them.
Yes.
Yeah. That's fine. This is specialty of our Srinivas University, right?
Yes.
What is this, sir?
This is called as a jigar. So usually we use to measure the liquids. It might be alcohol, it might be juices, everything. So here I am taking a 2 ounce, it is a 60 ml of cranberry juice. Okay, we are adding some 5 ml of fresh cream to the drink, and some strawberry crush, we are adding few ice cubes.
Okay.
Then we are doing a shaking method. Make sure the ice should melt properly.
Okay, it has done now.
Yes.
This is ultimate one. Or?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
We don't need much time.
Yeah, that's what. We can prepare quickly. Hardly it takes 2 minutes to prepare.
Okay. Yes, sir. Next step.
Next step.
Nice.
And we are garnishing with some cherries.
Nice. Then hi.
Hi.
I think you're a student of Kaushik, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you learned some mocktail making tricks
Yes.
and techniques.
Yes.
Can you say to us also? And how he's going to teach you mocktail making, how creativity it is.
I mean, like last year he taught us about how, like, you know, to prepare mocktails and all. So right here, I'll teach you how to make Passion Saga. That is a passion fruit based drink. It's kind of a mojito. It is a mojito. It's passion fruit mojito. So where we use passion fruit squash, and we use lime juice and sugar syrup and mint leaves. Top up with this thing, sparkling water. That's all. So it's a basic drink.
Yeah.
So we'll start making it.
Okay. First, what you are taking actually?
First, we'll pour some passion fruit squash. That is about 30 ml.
Okay. Pouring it on this glass, right?
for the glass.
Okay.
And some lime juice,
Okay.
about 20 ml.
Okay.
Now we'll add some mint leaves. Beat the mint leaves.
Okay.
So the aroma of the mint leaves should. And then you can add few of lime wedges. And just give it a
What's
squash.
that? Can I ask?
Yeah, this is
squash.
muddling.
Oh,
Muddling, where you just muddle the lime.
Okay.
And just that's all. If you muddle too much, the bitterness of the lime skin will get.
Okay.
So now we'll add few ice cubes.
Okay. Directly we are going to add.
Yeah.
Okay. In that we use that one more method, right?
Yeah,
Here
that
we
was
are-
the shake method.
Okay.
So here we use build-up method,
Huh.
where every ingredients are directly poured into the glass,
Oh.
and then
Soda.
yeah. Now we'll top up with soda.
Oh, this is not
That's a non-edible garnish.
Okay.
Yeah.
It looks like
It's an umbrella.
umbrella,
Yeah.
right?
So that's a
Here we are
non-edible
going
garnish.
to garnish.
Just keep it. That's all.
Can
Yeah.
I?
Just sure.
Like this, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And there's also another method where the guest can stir it up and drink it up, because you'll get both the flavors equally.
We are showing a mocktail called Paradise. So here we are adding some a rose syrup. Along with that, we are adding some cranberry juice and top up with some orange juice.
Okay,
So we'll
sir.
start
Let's
with the
begin.
process.
Sir, I have one doubt.
Yes.
If we are making some food, we will say ingredients, right?
Yes.
But what's the word there in mocktail?
Mocktails, we have so many other words like crushes and all. We use essence, crushes, and also we go with the bitters and some fresh ingredients, etc.
Okay. If I use ingredients also, that is right.
Yes, so whichever ingredients like a fresh fruits and along with that some veggies and all, whatever you're using, it is the ingredients.
Okay. Yes, sir. Let's begin.
Yes. Okay, here we are adding 30 ml of mango.
Gagan is going to add actually.
Yes.
Yeah. Kaushik sir teaching him.
And some orange juice, same ratio.
Okay.
Next, we're gonna shake the drink.
We're not going to add ice cubes. We add. much power also needed, I think.
Yes, it's a shaken method.
Yeah.
We have other methods too. And we are topping with some cranberry juice.
Okay.
So now it will be layered.
Okay.
So along
To
with
get
that,
layer, we are using that.
yes, even you can use a bar spoon
Oh.
to layer the drinks. So on top we are adding some sabza seeds. And we'll garnish with the orange wheels.
Okay. Sir, when you are going to teach about these all things to students,
Yes.
how students will be excited?
Actually, most of the students are very much interested to prepare these types of drinks. Especially, see, what I told you, these are the students, they prepare their innovative drinks. So even we have some classic recipe like mojito, so even fruit punch and all. So those are the classics one. These are the students, they invented their own drink with a different combination and they have serving here.
In upcoming days, we will get the opportunity to taste those also.
Yes, of course.
Done.
Done. 3 special drink we have prepared today.
Okay.
So this is Passion Saga.
You only prepare.
Yes, students they came up with their own unique recipe.
Okay.
So
This is nice. And this is?
that is paradise. You can give a stir if you want. You can mix it.
This I love most. This is really nice. And last but not the least, this is also very nice. Sir, what's this?
It's a presentation.
Okay, just at last we are going to present. So finally, this is also one kind of demonstration.
Yeah, it's a type of presentation.
Okay. Nice, sir. Actually, very nice. So we came up with amazing mocktail making techniques today with the Kaushik sir. This is today's mocktail making session with Kaushik sir by the Institute of Hotel Management and Tourism Department. Here, students are making, creating and celebrating their every creativity with the glass and they are making some magic here. So thank you. We'll meet in one more episode. Thank you so much.